Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this pretty beautiful yoke neckline. So for this project I'm going to take a plain fabric and a pattern fabric. So let's get into the video. So you can see I just took a plain green color fabric and I have already made my shoulders and armhole, and this is the pattern fabric I'm going to use. So the first step is you're just going to fold the pattern fabric in half, and I'm going to place the plain fabric on top of that, and you're going to draw the exact armhole and the shoulder on the pattern fabric also. Okay, so now I'm just marking my neckline depth. So my neckline depth is from the top is going to be like 7 inches, and I'm going to draw a rectangle over here. So below this rectangle, leaving a marginal amount that is 4 to 5 inch, you're going to draw a nice U shape connecting that to the armhole. So from the folded edge is going to connect till the armhole, and now the neckline is going to divide into two parts. One is going to have a beautiful U neckline like this, and to the down part is going to have a V shape like this. So with this style you can just convert your plain normal color fabric in a beautiful outfit by using a multicolor yoke neckline at the top. So now I'm tracing my exact U shape on my pattern fabric. So I'm using my tracing wheel. So if you don't have a tracing wheel, no worries, I tell you how to draw this. So first I'm going to start cutting my V neckline, and continuing that I'm going to cut in my U neckline like this. Very simple, very elegant neckline this is. And also I'd be cutting my armhole. So after cutting your armhole, I'm going to just place my finger on the exact line that I have drawn, and I'll be drawing the same on my pattern fabric. So if you don't have a tracing wheel, no worries, you can just follow this simple method to stay exactly on the track. Now we can see I can feel my finger on the next side so that I be putting a point or a line on the exact marked position like this. So like such I'll be drawing the line on my pattern fabric. So once after drawing line, you're going to take out this plain fabric and you're going to draw the same on your pattern fabric, and you can see I just got a nice line, and I'm going to continue that and make that line little bit more even like this. Okay, so leaving a marginal amount, that is leaving a quarter inch, I'm going to cut this out. So let me just place this on top of this green color fabric and show you how pretty it's going to look. So this is how it's going to come. So you're going to place this on the wrong side of the fabric, and you're going to sew the neckline, and you'll be turning that to the pretty side. So to the wrong side of the fabric, make sure the yoke neckline faces the wrong side like this, and you have to face both the wrong side up, and you're going to sew on the exact neckline, leaving a marginal amount of fabric. So when you sew this yoke neckline to the long side, and when you snip the corners of the neckline, and when you turn that out, you can see the pretty side of the yoke neckline. Okay, now I'm facing both the wrong sides of my fabric. So these are the small things that you have to be in caution, because these things you will definitely forget while sewing. So little by little you're going to sew into the neckline like such. So once it's done, I'm going to cut some notches all around my neckline like this. Okay, and I'm going to turn this fabric to the free side of my kurti. So just like that, you're going to tuck this in to the free side. Okay. So make sure that you turn the neckline nice and neat and give a nice press so that everything will stay in place. So now I'm going to add the piping to the down part of this U neckline. Okay, so just place the piping cord like this, and you're going to sew that, and you'll be turning that like such. So this is the free side, and you're going to place the cord like this, and I'm going to sew that to the U. So as this is a U neckline, make sure that you don't pull the fabric, ease with the fabric and place the piping on top of that, and you're going to sew like such. So if you don't know how to make the piping, I'll be posting the video at the end of this so that you can learn how to make these kind of piping in a very simple and easy method. So if you're making the piping, make sure that you put your zipper foot to get a nice neat finish. So I'm sewing this to the free side of the fabric. Make sure that the cord should be on your left hand side and the open salvaged edge should be towards your right hand side, and little by little I'm going to sew that like this. So once after that, you're going to just turn the piping and place that on top of your kurti, and you're going to put a top stitch like this. So little by little, make sure you place this on top of your kurti and secure that with some pins before you sew that. And now you can see I'm sewing that. So when I'm getting into the curves, I make sure that it just sits in the exact place, and I sew that little bit slow because I want to be on track. Okay, so that's it. Our yoke neckline is done with 80%. So one more thing to go, I'm going to use this kind of lace, and I'm going to sew that on top. This is a handmade lace. I just double folded the fabric and I've sewn that on top to make a beautiful lace like this. And just you're going to edge that on top of the neckline. It's totally optional. If you want, you can try this, or else you can skip this step. And if you want, you can try any kind of lace, not just a cotton fabric lace. You can try any lace which goes well with your design and the pattern of the fabric. So little by little I'm going to sew this in, and I'll be finishing off my neckline. So at the place of turn, make sure that you put the needle in and you turn only the fabric out so that you'd be in track. So put the needle in and just lift your foot up, and then you're going to turn the fabric like this. So in the same way, I'm going to sew my neck side of the neckline like this. Okay. So now little by little I'm sewing my neck side of my U neckline. So once after sewing this, you're going to put a second stitch on this same lace. So now I'm sewing to the outer edge, and then you're going to sew on the inner edge of the lace. See, like this. So once it's done, our neckline is completely ready, and this is the end result. This is how it's going to look once it's done, and it just came out really beautiful. You can turn a simple plain fabric in a beautiful neckline like this using a pattern fabric. So if you like this video, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. So see you next time with a different kind of design. Take care. Bye bye.